Okay, so this is my next bike project, right? So this is an orange 324, like the one I have over there, but that one is L size and this is M size. I think this is gonna fit better for my body, right? For my body size. Anyway, so as this frame is a downhill frame, but I'm not doing downhill often, so it's pretty much like enduro or trail bike, let's say. I need to install a dropper post in this frame, which is not ready to receive a dropper post, right? There is no internal routing or any hole to pass the cable or anything. However, as I did with the other one over there, I have to drill one hole here, right, to fit this rubber grommet, and I'm using this 5 millimeter 5 millimeter, and after the 8 millimeter one, you know, the drill bits, in order to fit properly this grommet. And the space between each hole that I'm gonna do is 16 millimeters, right? And this is gonna allow me to introduce an 8 millimeter hole here and 8 millimeter hole here in order to fit my grommet, which is 25 millimeter wide. It's gonna be fun, but I did it before over there in that bike and it's gonna work, I know. Okay, I have to, I've used an 8 millimeter drill bit, right, to drill this space for the rubber grommet in order to install my seat post internal routing. After that, I used this file, rounded one, so just like this, you know, in order to make a proper shape for this fitment. Anyway, I have this rubber grommet. Now is the proper size to install it here. I have to make a drill here in order to pass the dropper cable. After that, I think it's gonna be alright, as the frame has some internal spaces, as you can see here, so it's not gonna be difficult to pass the cable for the dropper post. However, the cable have to come from here, go under the shock. Maybe I have to attach the cable here with some zip tie, and after go into this hole. Okay, so downhill frame, enduro mode, let's see how it works. Okay, after too many attempts, now I pass this housing right through the frame till here. So now it's ready to install the dropper post, right? I had to put some of suspension grease here in order to fit it properly. After this is gonna be alright, so ready to install the dropper post.